guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and in today's video we are making this super moist, super delicious PawPaw bread. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, so we are taking our mixing bowl, and to that we are adding 1 stick of softened butter as well as half a cup of light brown sugar, and we're gonna beat that until it is well combined. Now we put that to the side, and while it is beating, we put in our dry ingredients into a bowl. We're adding 2 cups of flour, and to that we're adding 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix that up, and once we're done, we're going to set that on aside. Now going back to our butter and sugar mixture, we are going to add in our eggs, and to this recipe we are adding 2 eggs. We add them one at a time, being sure to beat it properly between each addition. Now while that is going guys, you want to ensure you take your spatula and scrape down all those sides, because you want to make sure that everything is nicely mixed into that batter. Now we are going to take our papaya. For this recipe we are using 2 cups of crushed ripe papaya. We are going to add that to our mix. We then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We then take our dry ingredients mixture and we add it gradually to ensure that everything is well combined. Again guys, we scrape down those sides, make sure that everything is mixed into that batter. We then take our mixed fruits, and here guys we have some mixed peels, some currants, some raisins, some cherries, and this is 1/3 cup. We add it to that mixture and beat it, you know what it is, till it is well combined. Now guys, look at how pretty that batter is. It looks so pretty. The color is just so beautiful. Now once that batter is mixed in, we are going to take our well greased loaf pan. Now here I lined it with some butter because I really wanted it to be nice and crisp for this batter to go into that oven. After I have smoothed up the top of that batter, I'm going to take a little bit of brown sugar and just sprinkle a little bit up top, just to, you know, add a little extra something to the batter. Now guys, look at it. It really is so pretty. Now what you want to do is you want to take it and put it into your oven that has already been preheated to 220 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Oh, there it is, out of the oven. This looks so good, but we're going to have to let it rest for 2 hours before we can get to cutting. And there it is. After about 2 hours guys, this is how it is looking. I am removing it from my loaf pan so that I can transfer it to my little platter, so that I can do my little cutting, you know, to get that perfect thumbnail, to get that perfect slice. Now there is just this little dip that it had because it fell a little bit in the oven. Not sure why, but it still looks good. And here we are cutting. Look at it. It looks so pretty. That color is just so amazing guys. It was just so moist. Parts of it were a little crummy and I felt that it wasn't sticking together a lot. as compared to, you know, other breads that I would have made, but I still found that it came out so good, guys. It was just super moist. Taking a slice of this so that I could break into it, it was just so moist. This part of it kind of looked a little puddingy, whereas the top was, you know, a little normal, but this was the first time making this papaya bread, so, you know, I did not mind. So let's go on with the taste test. Okay, so here goes, guys. Taste it. Tastes really good. Now, if you all know PawPaw or papaya, you will know that it has a really strong taste, but you're really not getting that in here. It's really good. Wow. Really good. Wow. Yeah, it's good. Like really good. You taste a little of the papaya, but you don't get that strong papaya taste that you normally have when you eat a PawPaw. Food, glorious food. But this was it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever tried papaya bread. There is a recipe that I have for papaya ice cream on my main channel. I will link that in the description box below, that you can go check it out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.